Yo, what's up, everybody? Big T and Big T Cooking. Today we're doing a little birthday party with my youngin' and Big Cow.
What's up, y'all?
She gonna be, how old are you?
31.
31. So we cooking up on the grill today. We're gonna cook up my other youngin', put them on the grill.
Check it out.
So, little Big T cooking, some ribeyes, New York strips, little chicken breast.
And we're gonna
With my
feed
assistant.
This
My big,
It all came from this cow.
with my Big T cow assistant. I do got a beer assistant, which is standing behind you, and I don't know why I don't have a cold beer. Beer assistant, come on with it, Big Cow. Hey, so sometimes you just gotta fire up the tiki bar on Big T cooking. Beer assistant, cold beers. Hey, we got a little crew kicking at the Big T tiki bar. If you want to check them out, scan around there one time. Check out the crew. Everybody wants to hang out with the Big Cow, Big T cooking at the tiki bar. So we're gonna fire them up, let them rip. New York strips, ribeyes, and a little Big T cooking. So y'all stick around for the next episode. Come on over here, little cow. Big Cow. Say happy birthday.
Make sure you like and subscribe.
There you go. You got it. Big T cooking. Peace. Come on with it. We're getting them done. Big T cooking. Flame. Fire. New York strips. Come on with it. How about them ribeyes back there in the back? Getting a little seasoning up with the opening flame. Oh yeah. Get everybody cooking. Got the chicken breast up in there. Look in here. Sometimes you gotta put a little juice on it. Get it on down here where y'all can see the action. Live action. Right there it is. Yep. Big T cook. Come on with them chicken breasts. Come on with it. Woo! Yep. You got it. So flame it, flame it. Come on. How about them steak marks? Grill marks. Yep. That's how we do it. You know how it works.
Come on with it. Anytime, anytime.
Yep. Big T cook. Big cows, family and friends, chilling at the tiki bar. Little action. This is how you get it done.